Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a Lego miniature helicopter, and how you're going to start it out is you take one of these slanted pieces and you'll take a 1x2 clear piece and then you'll put it on the front right here. You'll slam it together. And then you'll take a 1x2 latch piece, and you'll put it on the bottom, the part that's straight, and then you'll take a 2x2 hook piece where there are two hooks at the back, and then you're gonna put it on that 1x2 latch piece, and then you're going to take a 1x2 piece and put it above the 1x2 bar piece, and then you are going to take two 1x2 pieces with cross holes in the middle of them. You'll put them side by side, and then you'll put them like that, and then you will take you'll take 1, 2, 3 soda pieces. That's what I call them because that's what they use for soda pieces, and then 3 stud pieces, and then put them together like that. And then you will take another 1x2 tile, and then you'll put it on the back right here, and then you will put that backwards. Of course, I put it backwards. Why wouldn't? No? Yes, I did. So, the top of the soda can piece will be sticking out like that. So, the stud pieces will be going on the bottom of them. So that way you can stick it right in the middle, right there. And then you will take a cross piece slash I don't know what they're called, but they have a hole in the middle. You'll take that and you will put it on the piece on top with the cross hole in the middle. So it'll go like that. And then now for one of the blade things. So you take a 6x2 tile piece, and it doesn't have to have holes in it, just to let you know. Then you will take a little piece like that. I have yet to figure out what that is called, but you'll take that piece and you'll put it towards the back like that, to make it look like a little arrow. And then you will take a 2x4 piece and you'll place it right behind there so it'll look like that. Let's see. Ah, so it will. Never mind. And then you will take a I guess a 1x4 4 piece where it slants upwards, and then it will go right there. Oh. And then you will take another 1x4 slanted piece, and it will go right next to it. And then you will take a 1x6 piece, and it will go right. It'll go right there on the bottom. And then you will flip it over, and then you'll take your missing piece. I'm pretty sure. No, I'm not. Sorry about that. You will take another 1x4 slanted piece, and you will put it I am missing a piece. No, I just put it on. So it'll go right there, and then the 1x4 slanted piece will go like that, and then you will take a. Now here we start on the top, so you take a 2x4 piece, and it'll go right there, and then you will take a vent piece, and it will go right. Sorry, it'll go right there, and then you'll right there on top, and then you'll take a 1x2 towel piece that is plain on the top, or if you want to have it 2 towel pieces on top, you can. And then you will take a 1x2, I've heard it called a cheese slope. You will take one of those, and you will put it right there, and then you will take a binocular piece, and you'll put it on the other side, and it will go right there, and then see right there, and then you will take a one a 1x6 piece, and it will go right there. See right here on top, and then you will take a little square stud, and it will go right at the end. See, therefore, that way you have your thing, and the thing should look exactly alike as the other one, so it'll look like that. And then you take a 2x2 round piece, or if you can find a square piece, that'll be fine. And then right behind the vent piece that you put down, you will put it there, and then you will attach the other wing to it. That way you got that right there. And then on the bottom, you'll flip it over. Right in the middle of the black pieces that you put down at the very beginning, you'll put another 2x2 round or square piece. And then you'll and you go back to the main part of the copter, and then on this piece that you put down, that's a part cross, part, I'm just gonna call it Technic piece. You'll put another soda piece down on it, that way it'll look like that, and then you will put the wings together like that, and then you have a working miniature helicopter. And yes, it does fall apart easily. But thank you. If you liked the video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also leave comments down below of what you would like me to build next. Thank you, and see you later.